Hey everyone, want to link your Instagram to Facebook and unlock some awesome features like cross-posting, better engagement, and easier account management? Well, you're in right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you step-by-step how to connect your Instagram account to Facebook in just a few taps. But before we jump in, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. It really helps the channel grow. All right, let's get started. Step 1, open your Instagram settings. First things first, grab your phone and open the Instagram app. Now tap on your profile picture at the bottom right to head over to your profile. Next, look for the three-line menu hamburger icon at the top right. Tap on it and select Settings and Privacy. Step 2, go to Accounts Center. Now scroll down and find Accounts Center. This is where the magic happens. Tap on it and you'll see an option that says Set up Accounts or Add Accounts if your Facebook isn't linked yet. Step 3, link your Facebook account. Go ahead and tap on Add Accounts, then select Facebook. Now, just log in using your Facebook credentials. If you're already logged in on your phone, it might just ask for confirmation. Super easy. Once connected, you'll see your Facebook account listed under Accounts Center, which means it's successfully linked. Step 4, enable cross-posting and syncing. Now that your accounts are connected, let's turn on some handy features. 1. Tap on Sharing across profiles in the Accounts Center. 2. Choose whether you want posts and stories to automatically share from Instagram to Facebook. You can also sync your profile info, like your name and profile picture, so changes update on both platforms. And that's it. Your Instagram and Facebook are now connected, making it way easier to manage both accounts. All right, let's do a super quick recap. Open Instagram and go to Settings and Privacy. Tap Accounts Center and select Add Accounts. Log into your Facebook account to link it. Turn on cross-posting and syncing for seamless sharing. That's all it takes. Now, you can post once and share to both platforms instantly. If this video helped you, smash that like button and drop a comment below if you have any questions. And of course, hit that subscribe button for more social media tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.